Kabalo ba ka na on the day of judgment, you can stand before God with confidence? And most of us, di ba, kapag judgment day ang istoryahan, hadlok kayo. So, how do we stand on that day with confidence? The answer is in 1 John 4. Ingon diri, God is love. Whoever lives in love, lives in God, and God in them. Di ni ang klaseng love na ito ang na subten based atong culture ha. This is the love na dili self-seeking. This is the love that lays down its life for another, even for the enemy. This is perfect love that casts away all fear. There is a kind of love that the world does not know. Tanan ato ang nasabtan about love, it's all about feelings, it's all about attachment, it's all about emotions, it's all about give and take. And then we have this kind of love who gave everything. Pansin niyo, kita gani di ba kapag masakitan ta, magmanhid na dahil na to ang kasing-kasing. And we're scared to love again. That's the love we knew. But there's this kind of love that's so different. Only a few find it. Ano siya, broad is the way that leads to destruction, but narrow is the way that leads to life. Diba? Jesus is life. God is love. This is the kind of love na kailangan nimo sabton every day. The kind of love na kailangan nimo pag-pray, Lord, pasabtay dako ani na love, Lord be. So, ana siya na this is how love is made complete. Diri makompleto ang love. Diri nimo mabalaan kung ang love na made complete among us, so that we will have confidence on the day of judgment. In this world, we are like Jesus. So how do you have confidence on that day of judgment? In this world, we are like Jesus. Wala nag-ingon na in this world we serve Jesus, or in this world we sing praises to Jesus. Habutang dede, in this world we live like Jesus, or we are like Jesus. Ano man? Because Jesus is the fullness of love. If you see Him, you see the Father. God is love. And on that day, you can face Him with confidence kasi you're just like Him. And you will have that, as in you will have that confidence if you've been with Him. And ingon sa sunod na verse, there is no fear in love, but perfect love drives out fear, because fear has to do with punishment. The one who fears is not made perfect in love. And when he said love, it means the love ni God. It's not the love that we know about. So there's something na about sa love na only the Spirit can reveal to you. Okay? So it cannot be contained by our definition of what love is, because this love looks like Jesus. Ingon sa verse 19, we love because He first loved us. So on that day, magkaroon tag confidence before Him. Because in this world, we are just like Him. You will know it if you are living your life in love. So, we don't have that much time, no? One day you're here, one day you're a history. But in the eternity na padulong, this will be just a distant memory. So there's only one chance lang yun for us to shine. I was crying one night while praying, and I realized na kanilang nakinabuhi ang chance na to na mag-shine sa ato ang Father, para sa tong Father. Kasi on that day sa eternity, there will be no darkness. He will be our light. Like everything will be covered in light. No more darkness. We're all shining. We're all in the light. There's no more darkness kung asa na kay chance mag-shine. So meditate on this thing. It's not just avoiding sin. It's becoming like Jesus. You can try to avoid sin and miss love. Sometimes people who avoid sin keep falling to those sin over and over again. Tapos ang solution lang so that you can get out of that cycle is to become love. Because He is love and you look just like Him. God bless. I need to know You. I need to know how Your love can be so wide and long, so high and deep. God, make me strong. I'm covered in weakness, but I saw You turn the night into light when You came to my life. You called me yours, you say I am your bride, and I'm waiting, I'm waiting. So while I wait, I'm going to, you'll be surprised if all my heart belongs to you. 'Cause I know nothing's hidden from your side, but I pray I will be pleasing in your eyes. 'Cause I'll be just like Jesus. I know how to love. I'll be just like Jesus. I am full of life. I'll be just like Jesus. 'Cause we are one. I'll be just like Jesus. 'Cause He is my vine. So while I wait, I'm growing too. Will you be surprised if all my heart belongs to you? I know nothing's hidden from your side. God, I'll pray I will be pleasing to your sight. God, I pray I will be pleasing in your eyes. 'Cause I'll be just like Jesus.